thought I'd take a minute and try and answer these. If you're unfamiliar, we're here in Mexico. We're receiving stem cell therapy for our son. He has level 3 or severe autism. Anyways, they just asked, do they inject into the spine or just IV? So at this clinic and the clinic we went to for his first round, both of them do in the spine, or I would say both of them call it different things. So in India, it was called cerebral spinal fluid, which is the exact same as IT or intracathecally. I never say that correctly. Anyways, here in Mexico, they call it IT. Very just like IV, but the other method. Anyway, so essentially they inject into the spine to negate the need for the stem cells to go through the blood-brain barrier, because in a lot of autistic individuals, or at least in a postmortem study that they did, I think NIH, so National Institute of Health, did the study. Anyways, when they autopsied, I'm not really sure what the medical term is, but they looked at brains in postmortem autistic individuals with like the more severe categorization. And they pretty much said that like the blood-brain barrier usually had malfunctions to it. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. Reading that was so hard because there's so many numbers and very little like actual context for you to understand. But essentially like their overall like findings or summary at the bottom was pretty much saying like they suspect like crazy amounts of like malfunctioning BBBs, which is blood-brain barrier in that study or whatever. Anyways, so when they go through the spine, it's essentially supposed to like pretty much allow these stem cells to actually do their job and go to the brain, go to where they're needed. If they have a malfunctioning BBB, it might not pass through. Anyways, hope that helps. Again, if you're looking for a clinic, we interviewed like 100. I tried to list them, or at least my assistant, who is a lot more tech savvy than myself, she has them listed in my bio, I think under like the first tab. She said if you click like which ones you're interested in, it'll like auto trigger the emails to go to you. I don't know how that works. I tried doing a form and I had to like give everyone access, and then people were editing it and it didn't work out very well.